Hageman Ranch offers 320 acres of scenic Routt County land, just 45 minutes from world-class skiing at Steamboat Springs. Rolling meadows, timbered draws, and mountain vistas create a private setting for recreation, hunting, or a family retreat, an authentic piece of Colorado's high country with easy access to town. At 7,900 feet of elevation, Hageman Ranch blends open grasslands and hay meadows with stands of oak, aspen, and pine. A seasonal creek and natural springs cross the center corridor, supporting excellent elk and mule-deer habitat year-round. Several small ponds are scattered throughout the property, attracting wildlife and adding to its scenic diversity. Fencing outlines the property, and internal two-track roads reach scenic vantage points across the rolling topography. Large agricultural and ranch holdings nearby help preserve its sense of open space. In winter, the open slopes and ridgelines invite snowshoeing and backcountry adventure, while nearby Steamboat Springs offers world-class alpine skiing, hot springs, and year-round dining and entertainment, all within an easy 45-minute drive. The ranch is 15 minutes from Oak Creek, 45 minutes from Steamboat Springs, and 30 minutes from the Hayden Airport. Situated within GMU 131, this property lies in the heart of Routt County's trophy elk and mule deer country. Game sign, bedding areas, and travel routes are visible across the ranch, making it a proven location for archery and rifle seasons alike. Beyond hunting, the terrain lends itself to horseback riding, hiking, and ATV exploration across rolling ridge and meadow. For your own private showing, please contact James Massey.